Want to know how to set realistic deadlines in CoConstruct? In this video, we'll dive into practical steps that'll help you keep your projects on track and ensure you're not overpromising or underdelivering. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to use CoConstruct's tools to set deadlines that are achievable and manageable. Before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can get access to CoConstruct for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Now, let's get into it. First up, you need to clearly define the scope of your project. This means breaking down the tasks involved and understanding exactly what needs to be done. When you know all the moving parts, you'll have a much better sense of how long each task will take. Don't just assume, make sure you have all the details covered. The more detailed you are upfront, the more realistic your deadlines will be. Next thing is using CoConstruct's scheduling features to your advantage. The platform lets you create timelines for each phase of the project, but it's essential to remember that things rarely go perfectly to plan. With CoConstruct, you can adjust timelines easily if something takes longer than expected. Make sure to leave room for flexibility in your scheduling, even when you're setting those deadlines. The third thing to keep in mind is communicating with your team. Use CoConstruct to collaborate with your team members and ensure everyone is on the same page. If your team knows exactly what's expected and when, they're more likely to meet those deadlines. And remember, if there's a delay, make sure it's communicated early so everyone can adjust and stay on track. Another key point is factoring in unexpected delays. We all know that things don't always go according to plan, whether it's a supply chain issue, weather, or something else. By incorporating a buffer period into your deadlines, you're more likely to meet them. CoConstruct makes it easy to adjust these buffers without disrupting the overall project. Finally, use CoConstruct's reporting tools to track your progress. Setting realistic deadlines is one thing, but making sure you're meeting them is another. CoConstruct's tracking tools let you see where things stand in real time. If things are falling behind, you'll know immediately, giving you the chance to course correct before it's too late. By following these steps, you'll be able to set realistic deadlines in CoConstruct and keep your projects moving forward. And remember, you can get access to CoConstruct today for free with our exclusive bonuses. Check out the link in the description below for that extended free trial. So, whether you're a general contractor or part of a construction team, getting deadlines right is crucial to the success of any project. With CoConstruct, you have the tools to make sure your deadlines are not just realistic, but achievable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial linked below.